Today's video will be about content libraries. So what is a content library? A content library is a library that is published somewhere either on the internet or somewhere else internally that you can use to store virtual machine templates on or ISO files. And you can use this library, you can use it from different vCenter servers. So right now we're going to log in first. First log into the right organization. So where do we typically do this? Here we can go into, the configuration panel. Right now we are going to open the vCenter server. Let me copy the credentials. Let's log into the vCenter server, and here we can see that, let's go back to home first. We can go to content libraries here, where we get the same screen as we got before, and here we can see there's already a content library added. So this is called Windows CL. So if you go here and you can see the type of subscribed, so there is a library somewhere out there. Let me see where it is. This is the URL. So this is an internal library. Looks like an internal IP address, and in this library there's only one item. If I go to templates, I can probably see this template here. I can deploy this template. I will do that a little bit later in the video. So let's first add our own library. Content libraries. So there is an example library that I want to use, which is created by William Lamb. He also explains in this link below, he also explains how to create a content library like this. Let's hit the plus button here and let's give it a name. And here you can select the vCenter server. Well, here I've only one vCenter server available. So let's hit next. If you would have like link mode or embedded link mode or hybrid link mode, I guess, you would get more vCenter servers. So this is not a local content library. So you can also create a local one and publish that to other vCenter servers, I guess. So let's subscribe to this one here and put in the link. So this is the link that is already predefined. I do not need to enable authentication, and I don't want to download the content. I only want to download it when I need it. So let's hit next. Yes here, and let's select the storage where I want to download it if I need it, and here I can finish it. And here you can see that my sample content library is now added. If I go into that library, I can see there are 9 items in there. So this is a subscription URL, and let's go to templates, and here you can see multiple nested appliances here. So just to stress, nested appliances or ESXi hosts are not supported within VMC on AWS, but this is just a test to just show you how this works, right? So now let's remove it again, delete, and it is gone. So now we have a Windows content library here, and let's try to deploy a virtual machine from this template. See how this works. It's very easy. I think you probably already used to this, but you've never seen this in VMC and AWS. It kind of works the same. So let's just let's look any folder. Oh, I chose the wrong cluster. No, yeah. Let's select the computer resource pool. There we go. This is a host that is actually, I think it's used for ACX or something else. Let's do it again. Now let me select test. Not sure why, but let's select test and finish. And here you can see that it's actually deploying the actual OVF. Let's wait. Let's go to host and clusters. And here you can see it's completed now. So let's go into the computer resource pool, and here you can see my test VM. Let's try to power it on. And here you can see Windows is booting up. So you can also use the content library to store ISO files inside. So whenever you need to, let me close this one. Whenever you need to, create a virtual machine and you want to add a ISO file here, you can use the content library ISO file. So that was it for this video. It was very short, but hope you learned something, and stay tuned for the next video.